Hello, this is Mr. Win, and this video is over domain and range. So, domain of a graph is all the x values used. Two questions asked is how far left, how far right does the graph go? Range is all the y values used. Two questions asked is how low to how high. Number lines only have domain, while the coordinate plane has both domain and range. There are two ways to write our answers. First is set notation that involves inequality signs. Second is interval notation that involves brackets for closed numbers and parentheses for open numbers. Here's what they look like. Here's a number line, so long as domain. For set notation, I look how far left is 6 closed, how far right is infinity. So I write less than sign x, less than sign. 6 is on the left, it's closed, I put the equal sign underneath. Right side infinity. If you see less than infinity, you can ignore that, it's redundant, and just write the other side. So x greater than equals 6 also works. For interval notation, left is 6 closed, so bracket. The farthest right is infinity. Infinity is always open, so parentheses. Here's our first example. Here's a number line. How far left does this graph go? I always like putting x first, then less than sign, less than sign. The left side is -12 open. The right side is -8 closed, so I put the equal sign underneath that. For interval notation, how far left does it go? -12 open, so I put parentheses. How far right does it go? -8 closed, so bracket. Here's an example 2. Here's a graph, so I have both domain and range. For domain, I like putting less than sign, x, less than sign. This graph goes all the way left to -8. We're using the x value. So -8 is on the left side. How far right does this go? +4 is the x value. Let's see, the -8 is closed. I put equal sign underneath. The 4 is open, so nothing there. For range, it'll be less than sign y, less than sign. How low does the graph go? It goes to -3 for y. How high does the graph go? For y values, it's +5. -3 is closed, put equal sign there. Interval notation, same thing. Left to -8, closed, all the way right to +4, open, parentheses. Range, how low does it go? -3, closed, all the way up to +5, open, parentheses. Alright, last one. This is a little tricky. If there are multiple pieces or gaps, you have to listen separately, and then write the word OR for set notation, and the symbol U, which means union, for interval notation. So for set notation, I wrote less than sign x, less than sign. So for this first piece, it goes left all the way to -7 for x. It goes right all the way to -2. And there's a gap right here. It doesn't keep going. It's missing all these x values. So I'm going to write the word OR. And then for the second piece, it goes left all the way to 3. And then right all the way to 9. Let's see, it's open, open, close. I'll put the equal sign right here. And then open. For range, less than sign y, less than sign. How low does the graph go? It goes to -3. Then it goes up to 7, it's open, but right here, it's 7 closed. Closed count, so 7 is taken care of. It is used at least once, so then basically it continues on from 7 all the way to 8. So there's only one piece there. For interval notation, it goes left to -7, all the way right to -2. They're both open, so parentheses. And there's a gap, so union. Then it goes 3 closed, all the way right to 9, open, parentheses. For range, it goes down to -3 open, all the way to 8 open. That's it for the video. Any questions? Ask your teacher. Thanks for watching. Bye.